Welcome to my model railway layout, Aros Bridge. Just not something I feel particularly comfortable talking, but this is something I would like to get better at and get used to doing. So anyway, just a little overview. A couple of my favourite locos running around with slightly different configurations. I do mostly like goods trains, but like carriages too. Some of the stuff that I've been doing recently has been adding and configuring my DCC EX system, which I think is an awesome system. I finally got round, rather than just using it for controlling and running my trains, I finally got round to adding a couple of PCA 9685s that I use to control the servos for the points, etc. This is something I really want to build on and expand on going forward, and so I think I'll do a video on it very shortly. Also, this is the area which is the next really big focus as far as the scenery is concerned. It's sort of growing organically, really. It's a terminus that's based on the Oban station pre-1980s. Not too bad so far, but still got quite a bit of work to do there. But I'm taking my time because I don't want to rush it, and I don't want to run out of work because I love it. Anyway, on to running some trains, eh?